Here's a really interesting feature found when you are connected to your wearable app and your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, known as ultra high quality audio. This once upon a time was a feature on other older Samsung phones, and basically you now have it with your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, okay? So as you have them connected, I'm not sure about the Buds 3, the regular one here. When you have them connected to the wearable app, I'll show you where to find this feature. You'll go into the wearable app itself, and having your Buds 3 Pro already connected, you want to go to the part that says sound quality and effects. Okay, if you know what you're searching for, you can also use the search itself, but since you're new to all this, assuming you are, you'll tap here, and of course you can have these on as well, but you want to go down to advanced quality options. So going into this here will give you this right here. Now the only bad thing about this is it's going to use some more battery life. So just use this to your advantage or whenever you feel like you need to, and then come back and turn it off just in case you forgot, okay? Like and sub.